In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Openclaw to Notion. To get started, open Notion and make sure the page or database you want Openclaw to access is ready to use. This is important because Openclaw can only work with the specific content you allow it to see. If you are using a database, double check that the structure is finalized enough for testing so you do not run into confusion later when Openclaw tries to read or update it. Next, create or copy your Notion integration token if your setup requires one. This token is what allows Openclaw to securely communicate with your Notion workspace. Be careful while handling it and avoid sharing it publicly or placing it anywhere insecure. If you already created an integration earlier, you can simply copy the existing token instead of making a new one. After that, go back to the specific Notion page you want Openclaw to work with and share that page with the integration. This step is easy to miss, but it is one of the most important parts of the setup. Even if you have the correct token, Openclaw still will not be able to access the content unless the page or database has been explicitly shared with the integration inside Notion. Once that is done, open Openclaw or open the Openclaw setup tool if that is what your version uses. Look for the section where you can add external connections or integrations. This is where you will enter the Notion connection details, so Openclaw knows how to reach your workspace. Now add the Notion connection details. Typically, this includes the integration token and, depending on your workflow, the relevant page, database, or workspace information. Take a moment to review everything before saving, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. With the details entered, test the connection by asking Openclaw to read from Notion or make a simple update. A small test is the best way to confirm everything is set up correctly before relying on it for more important tasks. If the test works, you know the connection is active and permissions are set correctly. If Openclaw cannot access the page, the most likely issue is permissions. Go back into Notion and confirm that the correct page or database has been shared with the integration. Also check that you entered the connection details correctly in Openclaw. Once everything is working, you can start using Openclaw to automate tasks connected to your Notion workspace, helping you save time and keep your workflows more efficient.